It's Birdsday Thursday. Join us weekly as we highlight a different local bird variety every Thursday. Our bird of focus for this week is the Red Bellied Woodpecker. The Red Bellied Woodpecker is a common feeder visitor throughout the year and is one of the few feeder birds that won't get bullied by blue jays. Despite the name, these woodpeckers can have a slight red tinge on their chest and bellies, but are more easily recognized by their red caps and white faces and the black and white markings that cover their backs and wings. This bird is a medium-sized woodpecker that is an omnivore that enjoys various berries, nuts, and insects. At feeders, red-bellied woodpeckers enjoy peanuts, sunflower, and suet. They are cavity nesters, which means they are often seen in woods or neighborhoods with standing dead trees or trees with abandoned squirrel holes available for nesting sites. Keep a close eye to see these birds fluttering among the treetops with their bright red feathered heads, and a close ear to hear their noisy and distinct song, as they are quite vocal. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Birdsday Thursday.